Alright guys, so I welcome you to my channel, Lazy Graphics and Media. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to know your limitation on paper. Alright, so before we get into the video, I need to give you a brief overview about paper limitation stuff. Now, every PayPal account has a limited amount of money you can transfer within a year. That is limited amount of money you can receive and in your PayPal account. And this kind of method is, I think, is applicable to only business PayPal account. And if you don't know how to open a business PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria, please check the video on my on the playlist of my PayPal tutorial. I have made a video on that, on how you can create a successful PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. So now, in some cases, we might receive some fund and the fund was not successfully delivered into our PayPal accounts. This is simply because there are limitations on the kind of transaction you can receive on that particular PayPal account. Some PayPal accounts cannot receive more than 4,000 US dollars within a year, while some can receive more than that. So how do you know the status of your PayPal account, the limitation status of your PayPal account in Nigeria? So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to log in into my PayPal account and show you the working practical step on how you can do those stuff. So I have to click on the login here. I have to provide my login detail. And click on login. So after you have logged into your PayPal accounts, the next step you have to take is to come to the top here. You see this setting icon, click on it. Then choose account setting. So when you choose account setting, it's going to land you to this particular point you are seeing on the screen right here. So the next thing you have to do is to go to you can see account access. So when you get to the account access, you have to come here. You can see where you have limit on your account. So you click on view. So you can see the information right here that this particular account here, yearly spending limit, sending limit here is 3,757 US dollars. So this is the limit amount of money I can send on this account. And if you are to do more than this kind of transaction in a yearly, so you have to come down below here and click on lift limits on your account. So you follow the step and then PayPal is going to get it approved, and by then you'll be able to spend more than $3,750 in a year. So this is how you know the limitation amongst status of your PayPal account. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you like this video, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to create a PayPal account that can send and receive money right here in Nigeria, check the video on my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.